Hello class 2, good morning. Everyone please take your seat. Okay, so today I am going to teach exercise 9.2 and exercise 9.3. Can you please take out the math book and open to page number 84. Okay, so first of all I am going to teach exercise 9.2. Okay, so everyone please pay attention and look here on whiteboard. Okay, see here, it is written here, divide using repeated subtractions. Okay, it is long method we have to do. Okay, divide using repeated subtraction. So number A, it is already given here how to do. Okay, it is shown here. See, 18 divided by 6. So how much? 18, if you divide this one, see here, like this will be. Okay, so I'm going to show here nicely. Okay, number A, look here, 18 divided by 6. So how we will find? Okay, first, so how much is the answer? Okay, now this is the solution. Okay, so 18, okay, with 6, first with 6 minus, okay, this one is first. Okay, first time is gone here, so this is first time. So minus from 18, if you minus from 8, if you minus 6, then 2 and this 1. Now then we'll bring again one more 6. This 6, okay, this 6 again. Now minus. Then from 6, from 12 we minus 6, then this is what? Second time. Second time. Okay, now this 6 will bring down here again. Minus 0. That means this is what? Third time. Third time, okay? Third time. So how much? How many times? 1, first, second, third. So 6 in 6 table, okay? In which place we will get 18? In 3, okay? In 3 place. 6 3s are how much? 6 3s are 18. So we have to do like this, okay? Have you got it? Have you understood? Okay. Now I am going to show again number B. Okay? Number B questions we have 25 divided by 5, okay? 25 divided by 5 equal how much? We have to find, okay? We can do directly also, but what is telling here? We have to do using repeated subtraction, okay? That's why we are going to do like this, okay? So now solution, okay? Suppose here 25. So I'm going to give this 5 here, okay? This is what? First time. First time, okay, first time. This is first time. Now again 5 here. This 5 will come like this, okay? We'll do minus. So now 15. This is what? Second time. This is second time. And then 5. 10. This is what? Third times. And then now again 5. This is fourth times and 5. This is what? 5. Fifth times. So in 5 table, in which place we will get 25? Yes, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. That means 5. In 5 place we will get. So 5 5s are how much? 5 5s are 25. You have to do like this, okay? Until and unless you get 0 like this, you have to continue doing, okay? Have you understood? Can you do? Yes, it is very easy, no? See here, we are going to do number C, okay? Number C, what is given there? I'm going to write this one, okay? Number C I'm going to write here. So number C, what is the question? Number C, 42 divide by 7, okay? Number C question, 42 divide by 7, 42 divide by 7. So I'm going to write here 42 and this 7 will here, okay? So 42, how much? From 12 we will minus 7, 10. How much will be? 5 and 3. This is first time, okay? Now I'm going to bring here 7 again. So from 35 we will minus 10, how much? 7 minus 15, then 8. It is 16, 15. 8. 28, okay? Then again this is second time, okay? Now this is third time. So 1, 2. Now again 7. This is what? 4. This is 4 times, okay? Minus again. Now 14. 7. This is 5th. 5 times. And then 7. So this is 6. 6 times. So 7 in 7 table, in which place we are going to get 42? In 6th, okay? That means in 7 table, in 6th position we are getting how much? 42. 6, 7, 7, 6 0, 42. Have you understood? Okay, you try to do number D by yourself at home, okay? Now I am going to teach exercise 9.3, okay? 9.3. 9.3, okay? Look here everyone. 9.3. See here, what is given here? Complete the table, okay? It is written here, complete the table. The first one has been done for you, okay? So 3 into 6 equivalent how much? 6 3s are 18. Now 18 divided by 3 equal how much? 6. And 18 divided by 6 equal 3. 3 into 6, 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. And 18 divided by 6 equal 3. Now in number B, look here, okay? I am going to show only one, okay? Because this is very easy. So into 5. So 4 5s are how much? This is answer, okay? I am going to write direct answer. 4 into 5 equal how much? 4 5s are 20. So 20 is divided by 4. If you divide 20, this 20 with 4, that means in 4, in which place we will get 20? So 5. Okay, like this. So 4 into 5 equal 20. So 20 divided by 4 equal 5. And here what will be? 20. Next answer is already given. So next one, okay, third one I am going to do. 4 5 is 20 equal this one. And then last one we are going to write here what? See here. 20 divided by 20, okay? 20 divided by 5 equal how much? 4. So this is the answer, okay? This one was the same like this. It is given here 2 into 8 equals 16. So 16 divided by how much? Divide by 2 equal how much? 8. Okay? So you try to do this one by yourself. Have you understood? Okay, it is very easy. So you try to do by yourself in your math book, okay, at home by yourself. Okay? So enough for today, okay? Thank you class.